Dear Sir, my committee have considered your communication of the 12th instance, drawing attention to several matters relating to the denominational schools in your district. Full stop. Paragraph change. The enlargement of the cross street schools received special consideration, and my committee are of the opinion that something should be done immediately in this direction, full stop, to enlarge them again as they were enlarged 10 years ago seems to be necessary, and it is hoped to commence building operations during the coming summer, and to save time, my committee purpose giving the contract to the original builder of the schools, full stop. Paragraph change. As the whole of the lighting of the schools requires overhauling, my committee have arranged for a report on the matter, and as the incandescence of the mentals in the offices here is very satisfactory, it is probable that similar incandescent lights will be fitted throughout, full stop. Paragraph change. Notwithstanding your remarks, my committee think there will be no unfairness to the voluntary schools of the district owing to the recent circular coming into force in the autumn, and are of the opinion that nothing should be done to hinder its working, full stop. Yours very truly, close.